Hi everyone, how are you? Right, I'm excited about this one. I'm just going to do a home cooking video, but the exciting thing is I've been doing this recipe for about 6 days and I've lost 2.5 kilos. So I'm now 2 pounds off 17 stone. So I've not been that weight for over 3 years. So I'm very happy, I feel great, and this is a recipe that I'm following, and I'm on the carnivore diet, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Cheers. Now I've read up on it, I've done so much research, watched videos from doctors that have been on it themselves, and it's basically meat. That's what it is. It's meat and animal products, so eggs. So meat and eggs predominantly, but I love meat and eggs. So I'm eating steak all the time, ground beef. But anyway, let me show you this one. This is the simplest beef stew you're ever gonna likely to see. So I'm gonna use a slow cooker. I'm gonna put it on overnight and I'll show you in the morning the outcome. So, what do we need? We need stewing steak. I've got 1 kilo. We need butter. We need salt and water. That's it. That's all she wrote. That's all you need. And it is divine. You know, I grew up, you know, thinking and, you know, led to believe that you shouldn't have too much butter, shouldn't have too many eggs, you know, but that's just a myth. It's just, I don't know where it all comes from, but that's how I was brought up, you know. Even my mum now, bless her, hi mum, she says, don't have too many eggs. But that's because she was told, probably by her mum, you know, and that's how the generations go. But you know, where's the evidence to say that you can't have these eggs? And how many? And salt. They recommend just keep chucking the salt in. Now, about a year ago, I was on a non-salt diet. Well, let me tell you, it didn't end very well. You gotta have salt. But I did it, and anyway, I learned from it. So, this is it. So I'm just gonna chuck it all in. I'll show you the process, but there's just 4 items, not even 3 items plus salt. Let's get going. Get this. Oh, look at how chunky that is. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna cut that in half again. Beautiful cuts of meat. So I'll cut it in. No, that's good. Yeah, some of these you can cut. God, that cuts. That is a beautiful cut of meat. So that's all chopped, and that all goes in the pot. About, yeah, just under the top of the meat. Some of that meat looks a bit grey, but guys, I've smelt it, it's absolutely fine. I bought it this morning, fresh from the butcher. Right, got my butter. How much to put in? Now, the thing is, it doesn't really matter. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of do that. Do that. Do that. That is what I'm going to do. I'm going to use those 4 bits. First of all, I'm just going to salt it. So I've got rock salt here, but you can use whatever salt you have. And then we have the butter. So I'm just literally going to put it in like that. That is it. Put the back lid on. Done. Put it on low. Set the time. I'm going to do it for 9 hours. And that is it. That's what I love about it. And what I love about the diet is, you know, it's all beef, plenty of steak. There's chicken if you want it as well, pork. So it's all, I know there's vegans out there and vegetarians, and guys, this video is not for you, but for those of you that like meat, oh my God. Oh my God, I'm in heaven. So every day I have, well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to do recipes and show you my journey of me losing weight, because it is falling off me and my energy levels are going up and the gym is becoming easier and I'm just loving it. I'm loving it. I'm going to the supermarket, I'm getting on with stuff and I'm excited. This is just great because it's a journey as well. You get to see me now and then later on, and it's incredible. It's incredible. Really excited. Guys, next time you see me will be in the morning when I'm opening this lid to show you the beef in all its glory, and then yeah, that's a carnivore beef stew. Morning. It's the morning after, so now we've come to check the slow cooker, see how we're getting on. I mean, the smells. Wow. Look at that. Perfect. And all that gravy, which I'm going to keep, because I'll keep that as stock. But that's it, guys. Let me spoon it out for you. If you could smell this. So that's as basic as it was. It's just the beef, the butter, the water and the salt, but it's just another level. And then all the gravy. I'm going to keep, or the stock rather, because that's full of fat and butter. And then I'll put it into my little dishes or little containers, which I have here. I've got small ones, so I'll get more in the freezer, but that's a meal anyway. Okay. There you go. And that's it. That's carnivore beef stew. So you can do that with pork as well if you like, because that will just break down into pulled pork, like really shredded. But the beef is just sensational. And with the butter and the salt, my God, yeah, it's really good. That's just one recipe and just an example of what I have. So I might have one, maybe two of those a day. I have 2 to 3 meals a day. I try and keep it in a bit of a window, so I don't eat till late morning, and then I don't eat after 7 p.m. unless I'm invited out to a party or something. I mean, I've got one coming up this weekend, and they've got a succulent pig, a pig roast. Well, that's up my street, because I'll just have that. You know, I won't have any sides, I'll just have the pork. But that'll be after 7. But hey, it's not the end of the world. But it's just going amazing. I'm just gonna go and weigh myself now, because it's been a week. So, oh, I'm hoping that it's gone down a little bit more, but anyway, I'll put that on the end. So guys, look, it's not everyone's cup of tea, but there's a lot of you out there that have been asking, can I do some more home cooking? And I thought, right, well, this is what I'm on now, and I'm very happy with it. I'm very comfortable with it. It's very easy to follow because I love the food so much. You know, beef, eggs, and bacon and butter. Wow. I just wanted to show you guys this, how tender this beef is. It's almost pulled beef. 2.5 litres of that a day as well. So I do that quite easy actually. But you need the water intake. But anyway, more excitingly, I've just weighed myself and I'm just over 3 kilos down. So it's like 18 stone point 0.08, something like that. So yeah, this week or next week we'll be in the 17 stones. So you know, that's, for me, that's amazing, because I've said before, I haven't been that weight in about 3 years, which is quite awful, really, because that's 3 years of my life I've been overweight and unhealthy. So it's quite sad when you think of it that way. But hey, I'm here, I'm showing up, and I'm doing it, and I absolutely love this. You don't get cravings for anything, because I've always had a sweet tooth, always. But now I'm having black coffee, no sugar, only one a day now, but it's just incredible. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's going to be a time in a 2 months, 3 months, 4 months time, I'm going to have a little bit of sugar, because You got to live and enjoy the things you like. However, I love this healthy plan, the weight loss plan. I love it. I really do. Anyway, enough of that, because I keep going on about it, and now I'm going to get the comments saying, how many times did you say you love it? Guys, if you don't like the channel, don't watch it. If you do, give us a like. Tell your friends, family, colleagues and acquaintances. They might like this recipe. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Love to Luke, me mum and sis, and I'll see you on the next one.